All right, and now since we have our sugar and butter mixed together, we've got our vanilla and eggs. We're gonna go ahead and add this slowly. We're gonna put it on the slowest speed. Go ahead and pour this in there and gradually speed it up. Take it step by step. Now we see we've got a layer of the butter on the edges. So we're just going to grab a wooden spoon and we're just going to push those down in there. All around the edges. And then turn it back on. And then we're just going to stir this until everything's completely mixed.